Hello viewers, welcome to the second session of this program today. This is Biafra Breaking News Media. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you. Please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscription button to support your boy. Assist the channel to grow to a bigger family where we can always have a live session, where everyone will contribute his or her views in a live session through calls and all that. In this platform, I bring the news to you, how it happened, the importance and implications, and for educative purposes. So, there is a topic we need to look into in this session. I would like you to share your comment, what you think, because your perspectives are also welcomed. Imagine what is going on in Nigeria as a country. People are refused to access the foreign ministry, that is Nigeria Foreign Affairs Ministry, because of their dress code. Seriously, in a secular state, why do some section of the country always choose to undermine the secularity of the Nigerian state? This video you're about to watch is so disgusting. I have traveled worldwide, if I may say, or use that terminology, but have not witnessed this kind of stupidity, because this is stupidity, sorry to use the term. It is so disgusting and so irritating for one to tell another in a secular state where you practice your religion, another person practices religion, and people are said to have freedom to whatever they choose to do with their personal lives, as far as they are over 18. And people are told not to come into the foreign ministry because of their code of dressing. As you can see in this video, because of the fact that they put on top, short, and sneakers. And the elder sister, as he said in the video, you can look at the kind of clothes she's putting on. You see, sometimes when I made mention in this program that there are some reasons to which persons of different ethnic groups are removed from all the ministries, all the security apparatus, and call it anything. It's all headed, any parastatals you can ever think of are all headed by a single ethnic group in Nigeria. It is so disheartening and disgusting, trust me, because you can actually, as a person, do all that with regards to your faith when you get to whatever region that belongs to you. But in any shared interest, in a secular state like Nigeria, people's rights and views should be respected. It is wrong to tell an adult the clothes to put on before he comes into an office. He's not your worker. Or to say you are employing him, maybe you have a kind of code of dressing for a particular office where your workers should be putting on, which is a different thing entirely. But this one is somebody who came for service. What rightly, in fact, do you know that you are not supposed to pay for anything except where it is generally and openly stated that you need to, as a Nigerian, pay social fees before you get social services. But in as much as it is not stated in that fact, it is the right of Nigerians to be attended to, including in the immigration. You can only supposed to pay for what is it called, the printing of the passport. But they have turned everything to business. But aside turning it to business, just like you want to go to the market and somebody is telling you, you don't have to wear this clothes to the market. As what? In a whole foreign affairs ministry. But if it is whites who just want to sort one thing or another, you see the way they will be worshiping them like gods. But among we Nigerians, are we supposed to be told what to do and what not to do as a people? Not one ethnic group. That is, we are talking about over 450 ethnic groups with 250 recognized and 3 adopted as the most populous ethnic group in Nigeria. And somebody is saying this, giving another person this kind of directives. Watch the video and let me know in the comment section what you think. Because for myself, I think this doesn't make sense. They are breaching the secularity of the, secularity nature of the country, and it's really, really going to have a lot to do with that country. Then when we say that some persons are subjecting another through oppression and all that, you shouldn't take it for granted.
Hello everyone, this morning I just got to hear something that I never knew existed in Nigeria. I went to Foreign Affairs because I had something to do, and I'm putting on my t-shirt and a short, you can see it, and my elder sister is dressed like this. Now they said she can't go in like this, I can't go in like this because it's part of the rule that you have to cover up. You have to cover up totally before you can enter into Foreign Affairs. And I'm wondering if Nigeria is now a Sharia country, that you can't go in like this, dress the way you are dressed. And I'm wondering, I can't go in with a t-shirt and a short and a sneakers, and she can go in like this. I'm wondering. So we're on our way now, going back home to go and change the dress we are wearing before we can come and enter. This is crazy. This is crazy. It's madness. So guys, we are back here at Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and my sister had to go change. You can see it. She's laughing about it, but to me it's not funny. Because what country are we building for ourselves? Let me see if they will allow her enter now. Can you imagine?
But your brother is not going inside.
I can't go inside like
You
this.
can't go inside, okay?
But why?
It's under the rule.
Which rule?
The rule is just the rule. It's not you are making.
This is crazy. This is crazy. So you see, this is what we face in this country. Nigeria is not a Sharia state. People are arguing. It's not possible. Crazy.